Hello friends, welcome to Decor Catalogue. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In this video, I'm gonna show you modern room divider, or you can say room partition design ideas. Room dividers are an excellent way to add functionality and style to any space. Whether you need to create privacy, define separate areas, or simply add a decorative element, modern room dividers offer endless but possibilities. In this video, we will showcase creative and stylish room divider ideas to inspire your next home transformation. Open shelf dividers are perfect for combining functionality with style. These dividers provide storage space while maintaining an open feel. Decorate them with books, plants, or decorative items for a personalized touch. Whereas sliding panels dividers are a sleek and versatile option, made from materials like frost glass, wood, or a fabric. They can be opened or closed depending on your need, making them perfect for flexible spaces. On the other hand, for a bold statement option for integrate metal or wooden screens, these dividers features beautiful patterns that add an artistic flair while creating a sense of separation. If you want to bring nature indoors with a living room divider, use a vertical garden or potted plants to create a natural and refreshing partition that also improves air quality. There are some foldable partitions. They are a practical choice for small spaces. They are easy to move and store, making them ideal for contemporary setups or multifunctional rooms. Some people can use curtain dividers. Curtains offer a soft and affordable way to divide a space. Choose fabric that complements your decor and use ceiling mounted racks for a seamless look. You can also prefer glass partition. Glass dividers are ideal for maintaining a sense of openness while providing subtle separation. Add frosted or stained glass for privacy without compromising on style. If I can discuss benefits of room divider, then they have privacy, create personal space in shared rooms, enhance your decor with artistic design, adapt your space to your changing needs, clearly define areas like living, dining, or workplaces. And that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Room dividers are a stylish and functional way to elevate your home's interior design. Which design idea would you love to try? Share your thought in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video. Thank you.